Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara, and this is my first post of the year. So happy new year guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a cinnamon soap scrub. Cinnamon is a popular food spice. Although it is commonly used as condiments for food, it also has many skin benefits, like it helps to prevent and fight skin infections, eczema, and it helps to get rid of acne, as well as improve the quality, texture, and complexion of the skin. Just before we dive right into business, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So guys, here's our cinnamon scrub. It's absolutely amazing, smells so good, and this scrub helps to clear acne and evens out the skin tone. As long as you are consistent with this scrub, you will surely see an improvement on your skin. You can use the scrub up to 3 times a week on your face and on your body. And for those of you wondering if the sugar in the scrub is going to dissolve, capital no, it will not dissolve as long as you stick to the measurements I have given you. If you want to make a bigger batch, just double or triple the measurements as the case may be, and if you want to make a smaller batch, just divide the measurements as the case may be, and you'll have a great consistency for your scrub. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't also forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.